Hey, mamas. Is that good? Yeah, baby. Burp, 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 burp. That's the sound she makes when she's in heaven, because Papa laid down a little scratch. Yep. Not only did she give me 2 eggs, but I've got the mouse trap that just keeps on killing. That is a killing machine right there. A couple beer cans, little peanut butter, something to spin on, and well, blam! Dead mice. That's 4 so far. Don't look at my nasty shed. It's a work in progress. But there's my babies. That is the sound she makes when she is in chicken scratch heaven. Oh, those are happy birds. Alright, signing out.